Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to factory reset DCR 89. If your radio doesn't pick up signals or if it doesn't work as it's supposed to work, you can reset the radio. So the arial has to be fully extended and the radio has to be on. So I'm going to turn it on now. I'm going to use menu info button, select button, right arrow key and left arrow key. So I'm going to press menu info button and hold it until you see DAB scan, and then press the right arrow key until you see system settings, and when you see system setting, press the select button and then press the right arrow key until you see factory reset. And if you pass it accidentally, you can press the left arrow key to go back to it. And then press the select button and then move to yes by pressing left arrow key and then press the select button. So the radio is restarting. So it goes to standby mode, so you need to turn it back on again, and then it will start rescanning all your stations. And yeah, that's about it, guys. I'm going to upload more videos about these radios and maybe other Sangean radios as well. So please subscribe my channel. And in the meantime, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. And that's it, guys. I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.